In this exercise, we will learn the rotate tool. Basically, it is used to rotate images and work with images using different angles. Okay, let's see how this tool will work. If I right-click on the hand tool, we can see the rotate tool underneath it, and R is the shortcut key. Okay, now I have selected this, and let's click and drag it, something like that, and we can now view it in different angles, and we can click and move it, something like that. Then, if we like, we can reset the default image by clicking this button. Very simple. Okay, in the next exercise, we will learn the zoom tool.